The summer of 2018 was coming to an end. This was going to be our last summer together. Well, at least for the few of us. So we decided to take a small break to escape into the mountains. We weren't really looking for some breathtaking views or Instagram-worthy photographs. We just needed to get somewhere where we could sit and just talk of all the things good and bad in our lives. The one thing that I have finally learned after so much travel is that it's never really the destination that makes a trip memorable. The real experience is in everything that leads us to that place. Be it the long road, the short breaks, the wrong turns, and everything else that happens in between.
I'll climb up a ladder with a hammer and a nail, and I'll nail it. Well, we worked so hard to build a little house together. In the snow or the rain or the ice cold wind, whenever. No matter what the weather.
1, 2, 3, go!
And the guy is going on a hunt.
Not fun.
Will he be successful? Will he be able to release himself?
इससे कहना याद दिखना नहीं चाहिए मैं
Stay tuned to find out. The tiger is in the jungle. And he can't find a place to pee.
Arnab, what Goswami?
Look, Matthew Stuff Life.
Yay! Yes, I got it!
Rubber
Hey, what's... He's off.
आदत होगी नहीं इसकी वजह से.
Sorry.
Chill रहो भाई.
रुक जा
क्लच दबाए रखो. कर दे चढ़ाई.
Sometimes I find life to be such a big mystery. One afternoon, you're sitting on your office desk, wondering where your life is headed, questioning the meaning of everything that you do. And then, the very next morning, you're somewhere in the unknown, cherishing every small thing life has to offer, living every moment to its fullest. I believe the secret to a happy life is to let yourselves go with the flow every once in a while.
टॉप पे चलते हैं।
हो जाएगी यार, देखना इतनी जगह।
और काट बस थोड़ा और काट, इसे उठा के भी रख देंगे थोड़ी सी, आराम से सीधा
बस स्ट्रेट आ जा, स्ट्रेट सामने, इस सामने लग जाओ गाड़ी, इस सामने देखिए पर चलिए, लिया लिया
There is something special about the mountains that often feels like an enchantment. Every second, every turn throws in a surprise at you. And somewhere between those floating, fast disappearing clouds and constantly unwinding roads, you let go of everything that weighs you down.
How long but hesitated, shallow but full in all your veins, shadowed by every other wind. Ooh, hollow, and doubt can make it all road, a love that never came.
ऊपर नीचे।